Alrighty, we're going to learn how to descale a fish very quickly and a very efficient way. We're going to start with a redfish, and we're going to start with a little clipboard, cutting board. And Melissa took the head off because she doesn't want to look at the head, which is understandable. And all I do is I clip it by the tail, place it with the head going away from me. We're going to go against the scales with a pressure washer, and we're literally going to flake them off. Turn on the pressure washer. So this is what the redfish looks like, descaled. Flip the fish over, and obviously it still has the scales here, and they're pretty tough. So the pressure washer definitely makes it a lot easier. And when you have several fish, it really makes a difference. As you can see, there's a bunch of scales everywhere. So after I'm done and I put everything away, I just pressure wash all the scales out into the street, into the gutters. Here's your fish, completely descaled. Matter of seconds.
That's the Alex way.
Yep.